Hi guys, welcome to Techie Fan of India. We are going to the next video of series of Python. It is very interesting series, so we are going to get it from zero to hero. Yeah, very first we need to find each and every concept. We need to complete from zero to hero. Nothing we need to left here. So we are going to the next concept here. That is the casting in Python that we have done in the last video also, but if it is not clear, that is the reason it is coming here to the next, and clearly it will be the concept here. So try to find the problem there, particular the example and the solution. You need to concentrate yourself to here. So we're going to take a value x is equal to int, and value mentioned inside the int is 3.14. But if it is integer, that will be print only the 3, not the float value after decimal. That will not doesn't care. Next value is y, that float. Inside the float we are going to take some value here, and the value are here the double inverted comma inside 4.2, and this is value always known as the float as mentioned here. Next value is z is equal to, that is static, means string value, and the string is present here str inside string value inside the 3.14. As we know that string always written inside double inverted comma if it is the characters, but here it is in number, so it will not written here in this form. So we are printing the value of x, that will print 3 only. We are going to print the value of y, it will print 4.24. Next we are going to print the value of z, that will print 3.14. These three values are there, and it is having the 3 types. So we are trying to get it the best concept here. If anything will miss, please let me know by message or by following on the Twitter or Instagram or Facebook. You can make your comment there. We'll give you the each and every resolution here. So we are considering here the integer, float and string, 3 values are here. We are printing the value also. Inside value we have mentioned that is nothing, that is the casting. So casting is what? The value is 3.14, that is float. We are casting inside the int. And coming to the next, double inverted comma 4.24, that is the string value, whether it is coming in float, so float will only be there. Next is string, inside that the float value it mentions the string. So after running the code, we are getting the very first value is 3, second is 4.24, third is 3.14 as expected the value. We got the output also. So if you are having any confusion regarding to the output, try to get it by as per your concept. We have done it best. For not getting the concept, please let me know that I can get some other videos for better understandable, and that will easy to find the value. If you will try along with the video, you will get the better experience and the thought process how while coding you will get the having the conceptual data. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.